Welcome back to cross-platform mobile application development. Today we are going to create an application with date picker, time picker and a data picker. So for that we are going to create a particular page with all these components. So initially we will be having this XAML page. In XAML page we will be creating, we'll be modifying the background of the content page. So background equals to dark blue. So you can give whatever color that you want, and I already fixed padding and margin. Next we are going for the components that we want to enter. Initially I am creating a label to get the name using the entry. So I am giving label text as name. I am giving the font size as medium. Then text color white. Then we are going for adding a particular entry box. Placeholder name. Background color white. And we give one particular name for this particular entry box. I'm just copying this particular label. I'm changing it as date of birth so that we can add date picker. Label text medium white, everything is correct. Then we are going for a date picker. I'm giving a name for date picker. Giving as date of birth. Then you can give maximum date, minimum date. I'm giving in one specific format. Then in which format you want to display, for that you can add this particular property format, and here you can give now date picker is being created. Then we are going for a data picker. Okay, I'm copying the label again. And making it as location. Creating a picker. Giving a name. So now we will see the output. Post that we will do some more modification so that the values for the data picker all are added. we got the output. Now you can just see all the controls are loaded. Okay, now for the location we need to add the items so that it will get popped up once this is opened. Now we'll close this and we'll go and do that particular process. So this is the YAML page, this is the CS page. Here I am going to create a list. It's a data list where location list equals to new list. I'm giving string. For this I'm going to add 3 items to this particular list. Here I am adding countries. So I'm just changing the values. You can add as many. I am going to add only 3. Then I am going to fix the title for the particular location picker. This is the location list. Now I am going to fix the location picker title. Then I am going to associate this location list and location picker which we have created. This list will be associated. Initially the particular location picker was empty, no? So that particular process I am doing. Location picker dot item source. So this is the process in which we can associate these two things, location list and location picker. So this is the list and there is the thing. Now what I am going to do, I am going to add a button so that when you click that particular button, the details which you have entered, that will be displayed in the label. So that process we are going to do here. Create a button, give a text as click, then give a name, that is here we will give button click. Button click details. So this is a name for us to have it. We can have any name and I am giving a background color. Pause this, I am closing it. Save it, create an event, click the event. Create an event handler. So this event handler will be opening here. So what I am going to do, details dot text equal to string dot format dot format. Just give the way in which you want to format the output. So I'm just giving some formatting as per my requirement. You can give according to your requirement. Then date of birth. That will be followed by location. And give comma here. Then followed by the variables, what are the variables that we want to give, those variables. So what are those things that we have? Name entry, dot text, followed by date of birth, dot date, followed by location picker, dot selected item. Give semicolon. So now you got it. Save it. Run the application. Let us see the output. You got the output. So once the items get loaded, all the controls get loaded, we will type the values and click the button and we'll see what will be the output. So initially I am typing something like name as Modi, 4th February 2017, some value, some date we are giving, and location I am giving as India. Click, you are getting the output. So this is the end of session. In next session we will be discussing how to pass the values or the parameter values between two pages. Thank you.